You possess a great genius.
Is she a singer?
Yes, and an actress too. Her name is Vanessa.
This is a cool poster.
His name's Ed Spilles. The poster. He's an actor. The poster is from the film Aragon.
Where's he from?
Britain.
Their names and Mise and Deco. Their football players.
And this is our dog. Its name is Pat.
It isn't your photo, Jenny. It's my photo. Mom!
Rose, I'm sorry. Here are sister.